Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can add people on Wix. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Wix.com, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, if you go to the top, you're going to find the option to create a new folder, and right next to it, you're going to find the option to create a new site. In the center of your page, you're going to find all of the sites that you have on Wix. So right now, go to the site you want to add people to and click on select and edit site. Once you do that, you're going to be taken to your dashboard right here. So once you're here in your dashboard, if you go to the left side of your screen, you're going to find all of these sections. So right now, all you need to do guys is go to the settings right here. And then once you go to settings here under general, you're going to find all of these settings. Search for roles and permissions. If you don't find it right here, just use the search bar and then you're going to be able to find it. Invite people to work on this site and set their permissions. So go ahead and click on this option, and then you're going to be right here in this page. So right now, as you can see guys in the top, you're going to find the option to invite collaborators. So go ahead and click on this option, and then just type their email right here. And once make sure the email is correct, email address, and then here you can select their role. You can either choose to give them the admin role, website manager, website designer, back office manager, content writer, and so on. Here you're going to find a lot of roles, and then click on send invite. Then they're going to be able to receive your invite. So right now I'm going to go back. You can also manage your roles, as you can see guys right here. You can view the roles. You can give or remove permissions for each role. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next video.